In the age of quick fixes and instant gratification, it's no surprise that people are searching for shortcuts to improve their credit scores. One popular claim that's been circulating online is the 5-minute trick to increase your credit score. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let's break it down and see if there's any truth to this viral hack, or if it's just another financial myth. What is the 5-minute credit score trick? The so-called 5-minute trick typically involves taking a specific action that supposedly leads to an immediate boost in your credit score. Common variations of this trick include paying down credit card balances. Some claim that paying off a portion of your credit card debt can quickly lower your credit utilization ratio, which may positively impact your score. Disputing errors on your credit report. Identifying and disputing inaccuracies on your credit report can sometimes lead to a quick correction and score improvement. Requesting a credit limit increase. Asking your credit card issuer for a higher credit limit can lower your credit utilization ratio, potentially boosting your score. Becoming an authorized user. Being added as an authorized user on someone else's credit card with good payment history might help your score. While these actions can indeed influence your credit score, the idea that they'll work in just 5 minutes is a bit of an exaggeration. Let's explore why. The reality: credit scores don't change overnight. Your credit score is a reflection of your credit behavior over time, and it's calculated based on data reported by lenders to the credit bureaus. Here's why the 5-minute trick isn't as instant as it sounds. Reporting delays. Even if you pay down your credit card balance or take other actions, it can take weeks for the updated information to be reported to the credit bureaus. Credit bureau processing time. Once the information is reported, it may take additional time for the credit bureaus to update your credit report and recalculate your score. No guaranteed impact. While certain actions, like lowering your credit utilization, can help, there's no guarantee they'll result in a significant or immediate score increase. What can you do in 5 minutes? While you can't magically boost your credit score in 5 minutes, there are a few quick steps you can take to set yourself up for future success. Check your credit report. Visit annualcreditreport.com and pull your free credit report. Look for errors or inaccuracies that could be dragging your score down. Set up payment reminders. Use your bank's app or a budgeting tool to set up reminders for bill payments. This ensures you never miss a due date. Pay down a small balance. If you have a small credit card balance, paying it off can help lower your credit utilization ratio. Just don't expect an instant score change. Request a credit limit increase. If you have a good payment history, you can call your credit card issuer and ask for a higher limit. This can lower your utilization ratio over time. The real path to a better credit score. If you're serious about improving your credit score, focus on these proven strategies. Pay your bills on time. Consistently making on-time payments is the single most important factor in building good credit. Keep your credit utilization low. Aim to use less than 30% of your available credit, and ideally, keep it below 10%. Avoid opening too many new accounts. Each new credit application can result in a hard inquiry, which can temporarily lower your score. Maintain a mix of credit types. Having a diverse mix of credit, such as credit cards, loans, can positively impact your score. Be patient. Building good credit takes time. There's no quick fix, but consistent good habits will pay off in the long run. The bottom line. The idea of a 5-minute trick to increase your credit score is appealing, but it's largely a myth. While there are small steps you can take to improve your credit health quickly, significant and lasting improvements require time, effort, and consistent financial habits. Instead of chasing quick fixes, focus on building a solid financial foundation. Your future self and your credit score will thank you.